Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and today I'm going to share my own method of preparing 100% natural aloe vera oil at home. This homemade aloe vera oil can be used for hair, skin and body alike just because it is so soothing and nourishing. So my angels, let's begin, but before that make sure that you please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The first ingredient that we need is aloe vera leaf. This is freshly plucked from my own aloe plant in my balcony garden. Guys, ready-made aloe vera gel will not work here, so please remember that. I have already washed and cleaned this leaf. Now let's cut the edges. Aloe vera needs no introduction when it comes to its amazing moisturizing properties. It deeply nourishes hair follicles and reduces frizz and roughness. After cutting the edges, slice the leaf as thinly as possible. It results in better infusion of the aloe vera gel into the oil. To prepare the base, I am using coconut oil. This is for two primary reasons. First, coconut oil's molecular structure allows a better absorption of the gel into the oil as compared to any other oil. And secondly, coconut oil is mild enough and it suits hair and skin equally, so coconut oil is my choice for making aloe vera oil. Drop all the slices into this oil. Now comes the most crucial part, and that is the infusion. I am using a double boiler. It is nothing but simply a wide pan full of boiling water, and into it I'm going to place my aloe vera and coconut oil container. Double boiling ensures that the gel releases and gets infused into the oil properly and without getting burned, which is the most important thing. If you place it all over direct fire, the oil and the gel is going to burn. The other natural way that you can probably explore for better infusion is placing a glass jar filled with coconut oil and dry aloe vera leaves under direct sun for up to 3 to 4 days, provided that the oil gets a minimum of 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. I have earlier prepared several oils using this sunlight infusion method, but not everyone gets that much sun throughout the year, and so many of you asked for alternatives. So here I have come up with this alternative way. It's going to suit everyone and it is respectively easier than the sunlight method. Now, as you can probably tell, after 15 minutes of being placed in boiling water, the color of aloe vera leaves has started to turn pale. And after almost 25 minutes, the leaves turn completely transparent. This is the time when you have to switch off the flame and leave it for 6 to 8 hours for further infusion. I left this concoction overnight and now I'm going to transfer it into a clean and dry container. This oil remains good for up to 10 days if you're going to keep it in an airtight container and inside the fridge. If you're specifically looking for hair growth, then you can add castor oil into it, just because castor oil and aloe vera are going to improve your hair growth and also your hair texture. I'm going to link all the products down in the description box, and for the application, apply it all over your hair and skin and leave it overnight for best results. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.